When it comes to improving your home's functionality, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, replacing or installing a new door is a smart investment. Whether you're upgrading your entryway, patio door, or interior doors, one key decision you'll face is: should you do it yourself or hire a professional? For homeowners in Washington, where the climate can be damp, chilly, and unpredictable, door installation comes with unique challenges. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of DIY versus professional door installation, so you can make the best choice for your home, your budget, and your peace of mind. The appeal of DIY door installation. DIY home projects can be empowering. With access to countless online tutorials and the availability of tools at big box stores, many homeowners consider installing a new door themselves. Pros of DIY door installation: cost savings. Avoiding labor charges is often the biggest draw. A professional door installation in Washington can cost between $300 and $800, depending on the door type, materials, and complexity. Doing it yourself could cut costs in half, if all goes smoothly. Flexible schedule. You can tackle the project at your own pace, without coordinating with contractors or adjusting your daily routine. Cons of DIY door installation: lack of experience. Door installation involves precise measurements, leveling, and sealing. Mistakes like uneven alignment, improper weatherproofing, or incorrect frame fitting can lead to drafts, leaks, or even security vulnerabilities. Time-consuming. A job that takes a pro a few hours may take you an entire weekend, or more, especially if complications arise. Limited tools. Door installation often requires specialized tools such as a door planer, shims, caulk gun, and sometimes even a reciprocating saw or drill press. Purchasing or renting these adds to your costs. Climate considerations. Washington's wet and windy weather means doors must be sealed and insulated correctly. Poor sealing can lead to water intrusion, mold, and higher energy bills. Why many Washington homeowners choose professional installation. Hiring a licensed door installation expert in Washington ensures a high-quality finish, peace of mind, and long-term value for your home. Pros of professional door installation: precision and expertise. Professionals have installed hundreds or thousands of doors. They know how to handle warped frames, non-standard sizes, and older homes, common in many Washington neighborhoods. Weatherproofing and insulation. A professional installer ensures that your door is properly sealed against Washington's wet climate, helping maintain indoor comfort and reducing heating bills. Warranty protection. Many manufacturers only honor warranties if the door is installed by a certified professional. DIY installation could void the warranty if something goes wrong. Time savings. Most installations can be completed in a few hours with minimal disruption to your routine. Safety and security. A poorly installed door can pose a security risk. Professionals ensure proper hardware placement and locking mechanisms for optimal protection. Cons of professional installation: higher upfront cost. Hiring a professional is more expensive initially, though the investment often pays off in energy savings, longer lasting results, and fewer repairs down the line. Scheduling constraints. You may need to plan ahead to accommodate a contractor's availability, especially during peak seasons. making the right choice for your Washington home. Ultimately, the decision between DIY and professional door installation depends on your comfort level, experience, and goals. If you're highly skilled, confident in your tools, and tackling a straightforward project, like replacing an interior door, you may find DIY a rewarding option. However, for front entry doors, patio doors, or any project requiring weatherproofing and structural adjustments, hiring a professional is almost always the better choice, especially in Washington's climate. Final thoughts. Your home's doors are more than just entry points. They're barriers against the elements, statements of style, and crucial to your home's energy efficiency and security. For most Washington homeowners, professional door installation offers the peace of mind and long-term reliability that DIY often can't match. If you're considering a door upgrade, consult a trusted local installer for an assessment. You'll not only ensure a seamless fit, you'll protect your home from the Pacific Northwest's toughest conditions, year after year.